Hello, I got sidetracked yesterday, and I wasn't able to finish my video, so I have to finish it. I'm gonna do more. Just want to show all the stuff. It's not really for me to show to you. It's basically me, like, pricing my stuff. All right, I have all this stuff on a sheet of paper all together, so I'm just gonna show it quick. I already have the prices of this stuff. I don't know why this is the screen. This is I think it's 2011. Let me look. Yeah, 2011 baseball Topps Chrome. 2016 football Prism. 2016 baseball Optic. 2017 Elite Football. I think that's 2017. Ooh, I was wrong. 2016 Elite. I showed this last night. It's a score jumbo case. 2016 score football, 52 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. So it's a box considered. Prism. 2015 Prism baseball. Oh, I got two of them. I thought one was basketball and one was baseball, but I was wrong. All right. They're same thing as that score thing. All right, 2016 Absolute Football Playoffs, 2016. Donruss Basketball, 2015-16. Panini Prism, 30 trading cards, bonus 6 red baseball prisms per box. 6 red prisms. That's pretty awesome. And it doesn't say what year. Prism from 2015, it says. Not too shabby. I have a couple of these. I remember they were cheap. Mega Box 2017 football. Mega Box 2016 football. So 16 and a 17. (2017) Prestige. I guess that's a blaster box. Panini Contenders. 2015 baseball blaster box. Oh, I remember when they transitioned into these blaster boxes. I didn't like it. There wasn't enough cards in them. They were kind of expensive for just a few cards in a pack. But if you look at the elite stuff like National Treasures or Hockey the Cup or Playbook, I'm sorry. They give you like 4, 5, 6. No, some only give you 1 card per box. I think that's Crown Royal. Yeah, Crown Royal Football 2017, Playoff Football 2017. I don't know what kind of boxes these are. I think these are before they made blasters into like skinny ones. I know these aren't hobby boxes. I don't know. It's a pre-blaster box, I guess. 2016 Donruss Optic. 2016-17 Optic Basketball. What the heck is this? Oh, sorry. 16 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. It's a fat pack or cello pack. box of Optic baseball. I didn't even know I had this. I didn't even know Optic made them. I knew Prism did. I didn't know Score made them. I didn't know Optic. I had 2 of the 3. Didn't even realize. And this is Optic 2016 hanger box. It's so funny. I got a ton of these. I might as well just show everything that I have. This is just a little box of the stuff. Score. This one here kills me. I didn't know Score did this stuff. 52. It's a fat pack, jumbo packs. 52 cards per pack. How about this stuff? This is just so sweet. 2016 Prism. Prism. Contenders. I remember people used to love Contenders. I always mix up Contenders and Chronicles. All right. I don't know what to do with this box. I think I love that box more than any of them. All right, 7 minutes. All right, I'm going to pause this and go get more stuff. If it'll let me. All right, here we go. If it'll let me. Okay, I'm back. I ate a little breakfast too. I'm just going to, I guess, grab stuff and throw it over there. This is stuff that I've recently got. Walmart with the receipt. Oh, this is when I first started and I was trying to get packs, and you'd go to Target or you'd go to, well, especially Target, but Walmart or Target, and they would never have anything. So at least Walmart limited you to. So I got these $2.98 a piece. I don't care. I mean, at that point, this was back in I was starting in February and March trying to get stuff, and there was never, I'd go to Target, never anything, never. And one Saturday, I actually got Contenders football and Top Series 1 baseball packs, and I was so happy I finally got something. Keyline, yep. I bought these up at a Walmart a month or 2 ago, maybe 2 months ago. I wanted to try them. Keyline Kit Kats. I don't know. They look good. This I got at a show from Bob Ferry, $160. This was back in April, I think. That was at his no, that wasn't at Bob Ferry's show. That was at Rick Reed's or Brett Reed or whatever his name is. His show up at the Viewmont Mall. All right, what is this? Two Topps Archives MLB blaster boxes. It'd be nice if you put the price down. Really? I have it on the computer, but I don't even know what I bought them for. I'm not even going to take them out. Got all these popcorn things. It's Topps Archives, I think it said. 2020, two blaster boxes of Topps Archives Major League Baseball. So 2 blaster boxes there. I'm not gonna have popcorn flying all over the place. All right. I forget. Where did I get these at? I think this was Target. Yeah. Because you were only allowed to get 2 packs, or 2 per, whatever. And the only thing that was left, got something in my throat. The only thing that was left was Topps Jumbos. Really, like, I have to put them like all the way to the left of the camera, like, really? Jesus. And then 2 Pokemon. So, is that this one? No, I know what that's for. I don't know what that was. Something was in my throat. All right, and this was a different day in a Walmart. You're allowed 2 packs, so I don't know. I think they're like $6.98 at Walmart. That was pathetic. I died just to get anything. In the beginning, it was crazy. All right, this is Walmart. All right, this is from March 26th. This is up in Hazeltown. Oh, I remember. This was the time when there was like NHL. I got one of those Parkhurst boxes that I showed you there. They had tons of Pokemon, so I grabbed all this stuff. They are Battle Styles, Sword and Shield. And these 2. They're the ones with the discs on them. Yeah. Eevee and, oh, that's right. They're Battle Styles, but Eevee is like really popular. Sorry. I am not sick, by the way. There's something stuck in my throat. I don't know what it is. Alright. Another. Ooh. Alright, those Pokemon cards. The small packs were $4.18. The 2, I guess they were the Sword and Shields. They were $4.98. And those other Pokemon cards with the Eevees were $12.98 a piece. I got 2 Major League Baseball blaster boxes of 2021 Series 1 for $19.98 a piece, and then I got a hockey Parkhurst for $19.98, one of those blaster boxes. So about $20 per blaster box, hockey and baseball. All right, another Walmart trip. Baseball blaster. Oh, this is them. Parkhurst blaster. So there was 2 bags. Actually, I should throw that stuff in this bag. And oh, I thought they were 2021. It said 2021. They were Heritage. They were not. I remember someone like, "Oh, you got Heritage." So I got something. It was like ridiculous trying to get that stuff. Throw all these in the same bag. I wish I could just reach down my throat and yank whatever that is. Probably eggs, because I just ate eggs. Alright, I'm not even done here, and the video is almost at 15 minutes, so can I do something real fast? No, too many things in there. Alright, I will stop this and continue with another video.